Just like nature, as humans, we go through seasons in our lives. And just like nature, those seasons bring along new scenery. One of my favorite ways to create is by changing a few pieces of home decor each season to allow my creative energy to flow in tune with the seasons our planet is so lucky to experience. There's something special about each natural interval, and I love to try and capture that magic right on the shelves in my home. Today, we'll change the decor for the season of summer in the very heart of our home, the coffee and beverage bar. The kitchen area is a heartfelt place in any family home. It's the place where we gather, laugh, cry, and smile. It's the place where we celebrate the wins and we help each other through the losses. It's where we drink, dine, cook, create, sing, dance, and love, making it the center of most homes. When our home was built, I designed the coffee bar area in our kitchen in a way that would provide ample shelf space to create seasonal vignettes till my heart's content, with extra space also given to my plant babies, which you'll notice everywhere you look. I love weaving a seasonal story with my many treasured pieces of decor into the little jungle I've helped grow. Our coffee bar has become our home's seasonal hearth, where I'm able to let my creative imagination soar for every cozy coffee bar reset. For me, styling with plants has been an imaginative journey that has evolved into a personal passion. As our plants continue to grow and fill our lives with sunshine, my experience with creative styling also continues to grow. Honoring organic textures and colors helps incorporate the pieces into the natural aesthetic of our home. But at the same time, the decor quietly gives way, allowing the plants to truly shine. For my summer palette, we'll layer in natural textures and finishes found in rustic wood, smooth ceramics, and woven textiles. Warm colors like sunset oranges, earthy chocolate browns, and golden yellows brighten up our space without taking away from the natural deep green hues anchored by our houseplants. Remember to check the description below to find the items used in today's video. Please enjoy as I change the design of my coffee bar to stay in tune with the season of summer. Thanks so much for spending your morning with me as I reset my coffee bar for the season. Come back next Sunday morning at 8 to join me and my kitty babies while we begin the creation of our new Sidekick Journal. If you enjoyed watching our seasonal hearth change for summer, please show your love by liking our video. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to our channel. From our hearts to yours, keep making life happy.